Today's fan feature will be of this Gulf Coast Bimini Breeze in oil rubbed bronze finish, paired with a set of Arbor 351 carved palm tree blades. Makes this fan about a 52-inch as well. Yeah, this fan's kind of rough, especially the blades there. You can kind of tell. This fan was in a house that was about to be demoed, and I snagged them all up before that happened. And yeah, so they were a fair price, and I got the rest of the house as well. This is going to be the first one of that feature, just as a taste tester here, but we got some interesting fans coming up. So, a little bit more about this. This house was really interesting. This was in the downstairs portion. It was a duplex beach house, which had 3 total floors. You had the main floor, which was a mid floor, and then like an upstairs as well. And then underneath that was a second, like, mother-in-law unit or so that had the like a separate kitchen as well and 1 bedroom. Very interesting place, but it was the Cockroach Palace and was about to be torn down. Anyway, so this is the fan as it came to me. I only cleaned it up a little bit, get all the dust off, and this thing was pretty mangled when I got it. Some of the blades were really bent up, but it smoothed out all right. This house seems to love their 5K bulbs because that's all I see in these fans. We'll get started here. Pull chain's a little dodgy because it was broken. So I opened it up and put a new chain in there. Might need a little extra light on this fan because this thing you can't really see. So that's low speed. I'll turn off the light briefly here to check out the power draw. 9 watts. Go to medium. It's putting off a good breeze actually. Despite being a tiny 153 by like 16 motor, it's doing pretty good. Power draw on medium here is about 23 watts. Rather quiet. Go high. This chain here that you can see, that was the original chain inside the pull chain there. So we do got some wobble here, but that's putting off a rather impressive breeze. Not the fastest, but I wouldn't say it's underpowered for these blades. Strong airflow from that. I'll go back to high and check the power draw again. We'll call that 71 watts. Yeah, 71. Let's level it out there. Alright. There we go. That pull chain is really dodgy. All things considered, it's kind of tacky, but I do like it. So I thought it was just tacky to begin with and kind of dismissed it in the catalogs. But seeing it in person, it's not bad. Wish the blades were in better condition, but they're here. That's what matters. So they're not broken in half or whatever. It could be worse. And they're rather light, too. So the top side is just plain, like, I guess, walnut or chestnut, maybe. Finish. I don't know, some dark wood. Interesting fan pairing, nonetheless. It's got some good bearings on it. All the fans in this place were obviously running and running and running and running and running and running because they have a bunch of dust on them, and moisture from that dust has started to cause issues. So that's where we stand on that. This thing's really taking its good time to slow down here, aren't we? I think one blade is a bit heavier, so it might have a little bit of backwards momentum coming up for itself. And if it does that, we'll just cut the video and say thank you all for watching. So that has been this Gulf Coast Bimini Breeze with Arbor Blades 351 on it. Yep, thank you all for watching. Catch you all in the next one. Stay tuned. Later, y'all.